baseboards clean helps your space look neater and boosts indoor air quality. Here's what you'll need to get the job done. First, prepare the space for cleaning by moving any furniture, decor, or art away from the walls. Lay out a drop cloth or towels to protect flooring. Then, dust baseboards and vacuum using a brush attachment. Next, wet a clean microfiber cloth with a mild cleaning solution, then wring it out until it is just damp. Wipe the baseboards with the cloth in sections. Allow baseboards time to air dry before returning rugs or furniture. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.